Warning to Muslims. Look at what's happening in Makkah right now. Allah might be warning us Muslims to change our actions before it's too late. Storms are also sent as a punishment when you repeatedly rejected Allah's message. Even after Allah gave us many opportunity to us to repent, Allah sends down punishment to us. History reminds us of these punishing storms, the flood of Noah, the winds of Ad, and the thunderbolt of Thamud. Those people ignored Allah's message just like you. Change before it's too late. Share this video to get good deeds and raise awareness.
أيعدكم أنكم إذا متم وكنتم ترابا وعظاما أنكم مخرجون هيهات 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 لما توعدون إن هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا نموت ونحيا